clams. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and as you can see, the background was a little bit different because, as you can tell by today's video, I will be giving you guys a tour of a house that I just bought. So I am 25, and I kind of went over this in the next vlog. I kind of went over this again, but yes, I am 25, and if you've been following me, you know this has been a goal of mine literally forever. And so I'm so excited that it's finally happening. I did like house tours or house hunting videos and stuff like that. So if you're interested in seeing those or like where this process started, then definitely go check those out. They are linked down below. But yes, so I will be giving you guys a tour of the house, and I'll also be doing this on TikTok. So if you want to see kind of like a different version of it, then head to my TikTok. I would also like to add that this is a fixer-upper and it is a future rental property. So I do have some ideas, which I will show you guys like on the screen and everything, like my ideas for renovating and everything. But I want to just add that, you know, I can't really do too much like making it my own style because it is a rental property. So I have to make it a little more neutral just in case, you know, guys rent it out versus girls or something like that. So it will be more of a modern neutral look, which you guys will see with the pop-ups when I'm showing you like my ideas and everything. But yes, so I'm going to move now. I'm standing in the kitchen right now, but I'm going to move to the main entrance and start there and show you guys the house. Okay, so this is the front door, and here is a pan of what the living area looks like. Boy, I love this. So as you can see, this area is going to take a good bit of work, but I'm pretty confident that I can make it look how I want it to look. First things first is I'm going to want to change the flooring. So the flooring is relatively new, but I don't really like the color of it. So I really want to change the color to something more of what you're seeing on the screen. I'm also going to take down these wood panels, but I was told behind these wood panels there's drywall, which is perfect. So I will be taking the wood panels down and sanding the drywall and putting that up and everything. So I'm kind of very excited to do that. And even if there's not drywall behind it, then I will be putting drywall in and sanding that down. So I just do not want the wood panels. I don't like that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's a pretty big area, big enough for me to make some changes, renovate, and all of that good stuff. I'll also be sanding the ceiling here so that it's just plain. No, I don't even know what this is called. It's not called popcorn ceiling, but it's just like a type of design that I don't want there anymore. So I will be changing that, and then also like updating this. So I will be taking out some of the charm that is this house and making it a lot more modern. And then wrapping around, you have the kitchen and then the, I guess what would be the living room area. And yeah, so there's a good bit of work that I want to do in here. I think the last people rented this out as a bedroom because right next to this room, you have the downstairs bathroom. So I mean, I could do that, but there's like a lot of work that I would want to do with this room as well. So here is a little closet here that I guess could be a pantry if I did use this as more of a dining room area. But obviously this will need to be replaced, this door. Obviously I'm going to get rid of the, I don't really know the design that is this ceiling. So whatever design that is, I will be getting rid of that. I will be updating the lights in here, and also another, like, just a ton of renovations will have to take place. And then again with the walls, I will be getting rid of the wood planks and staining the floors. So it's just so much work that will be going on in here. Also, like with the trims and everything, just so much work that will be going on in here, and updating some windows and everything. But yeah, I'm pretty confident in my skills here and everything that I can do. Now moving on to the downstairs bathroom. So it's a pretty normal sized bathroom. It only fits a standing shower, which I will be getting a brand new standing shower to go into this bathroom. And I will be updating this as well. There's just a lot of work that really needs to go into this bathroom. I don't even need to go into detail, like updating tile and trim work, and just a lot of work that needs to go into it to make it look exactly like what I am showing you on the screen. Or maybe not exactly, just taking inspiration. Those will be coming down. A fresh coat of paint would do this bathroom some justice. And then also, I already have someone coming who will be renovating the entire ceiling and doing the floors. So I will not be doing the bathroom floors on this bathroom or the one upstairs or in the kitchen. So you'll see that as well. I will not be doing that floor. Someone else will be doing it. I'll also not be doing the ceiling. Someone else will be doing that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for what is to come, and it will be a good bit of work, but I think it will be worth it. Okay, so I'm skipping the kitchen right now, and I'm going to show you the 3 bedrooms and bathroom that are all upstairs. So the carpet here will more than likely be ripped up, especially since they don't match. So the carpet on the stairs will be ripped up, and it will be hardwood. And also getting rid of the panels again, and carpet ripped up. Now the bedrooms will take less work than the rooms downstairs, but here is a pan of the first bedroom. It's a pretty big bedroom, and honestly, I don't really think it would take that much work. Honestly, I will probably DIY the entire bedroom, all 3 of them. Here is the second one. And honestly, I'm just thinking like a fresh coat of paint would do this some justice. That beeping noise is going to irritate me. But yeah, so like new windows, a fresh coat of paint. And also again, with like the ceilings, I do not like that. So I will be sanding those down and freshly painting those and getting rid of some of what is this charm. I basically just want it all to look modern, the same. And yeah, so there's a lot of work that needs to go into it, but a lot of it will be easy. I feel like replacing windows, painting, ripping up carpet, and or like cleaning carpet, and staining the floors, putting it like that stuff honestly will probably be very easy, and I'm getting someone else to come in to do all the hard work. And then here is the upstairs bathroom. So this is also going to take a good bit of work, as you can see. Like I said, I have someone coming in to do the tiling, so I don't even have to like think twice about that. I also have someone coming in to change the ceilings and fix the ceilings and do all of that. And I just have a lot of ideas when it comes to this open pantry thing right here. And I have a lot of ideas when it comes to this as well. I was originally thinking I would be taking the tile down, or and then I thought I would be, trying to work with this tile, but then my sister gave me a different idea. So I just have so many different ideas of what could be when it comes to this bathroom. And yeah, so just basically updating a lot of this, because a lot of this is like older. It is an older home. And yeah, just completely needs to be renovated, and that's what I plan to do. Okay, going back downstairs now, I can show you the kitchen. I wanted to show this last because the kitchen is honestly like the heart of the home, and this is going to take a lot of work. I already know, but I have other people coming in doing most of the hard work. So honestly, I just need to come up with like designs and an idea of what I want it to look like before hiring someone to get started, so that I can have a game plan going. Yeah, so here is a quick pan of the kitchen. So I will have someone coming in, completely ripping up all of this tile. We're getting brand new tile, doing some cabinet work, obviously doing some countertop work, and just completely renovating this. Someone's doing the ceilings and everything, just completely renovating a lot of this because I don't like it, and I can like it. I know there's just so much potential in this house. Yeah, there's just so much potential to this house, and there's a charm to it that I need to get rid of, and we're going to modernize it and make it just completely different. So now to get into what made me choose this home, because like you guys saw, I was touring a few different properties, and sure, other properties probably would have taken a lot less work than this one probably will, but I chose this home because, without saying too much, it is 6 minutes from the main campus, or 6 to 5 minutes from the main campus of a D1 school, and I do plan to rent it out to college students, so I feel like that is really close. And then it's also 2 cartwheels over to their stadium, so I just feel like it was a pretty good purchase and would be a really good investment, and I am so excited to take you guys along with me through the process of renovating, remodeling, and turning this into something, or a home that I would want to live in. So I'm excited, and yeah, I cannot wait, and I'm so glad this finally worked out. If you know, you know. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any ideas, because I am pretty indecisive and literally open to any ideas, or you know someone whose channel I should be watching so that I could get some ideas, get some help with all of the DIYing I'm going to be doing, definitely comment that down below. But yes, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.